Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to give a review update of our KitchenAid barbecue, built-in barbecue that we did. So I'm going to give an update on that. Some of you are asking some questions, if it's lasting, if we have any issues with it, all that sort of stuff. So I wanted to start off with it covered for a reason. So this is how our barbecue sits when we're not using it. So we don't let it sit in the hot sun. We don't let it get rained on over and over again. We don't let it have issues like come with the weather. So basically, for the most part, it sits with a cover on it unless we take it off to use it. So let me show you the grill itself. So first of all, if you haven't seen this review of this cover, put a link in the description below. It's by far worth it. The KitchenAid one isn't worth it. So that's something you should probably know. So you can see we use it quite a bit. You can see one of the things that people were asking about, they said that things within the grill start rusting. We don't have that. What we do have is a dirty grill for sure, right? But stainless steel, this is all stainless steel, so it cleans really well. So we can scrape it all down, it cleans really well and that sort of thing. We do not have any rusting components in here at all. Even the flame blocks that are on it, you know, you can see that we've used them, but they're not rusting. We don't have any issues with rusting whatsoever. And even the tray below that catches grease, that's in the bottom, that's not rusting either. But again, we keep our grill covered when we don't use it. So if you're leaving your grill out completely exposed and you don't have a fancy grill cover that keeps it from getting wet, you're probably going to have more issues with rust because there's welds and things like that. But I think the key to it is making sure that you keep it covered when not in use, and that way your grill will last a lot longer, because this is not a cheap grill. Nothing's cheap when you start talking about built-in barbecues and built-in components of it as well. Somebody also asked about these doors. So the doors, we'll put a link in the description below of the doors as well. So the couple things, the only place that we've seen any rust at all is you see a little bit of rust on some of the magnets that are there. You don't see any, and these are stainless steel, so you don't see any there. Just some of the magnets, they probably sit in water a little bit more here. Those are probably the only thing that you see a little bit of rust on that you're getting anything from. The magnet itself has a little bit of rust on it. You can see that. But other than that, the doors held up really well. They are not expensive doors. They are not KitchenAid doors. We'll put a link in the description below of what doors they are. So that's our update of our KitchenAid barbecue. As you can see, I don't even like to uncover it unless I'm using it, because it's such an investment to have it built in that you just don't want to have it exposed to all the elements. The other thing I'll quickly mention is I've had zero issues with lighting the grill. The auto flame starters have zero issue with that. I've had zero issues with any of the burners turning on. They fire up really quickly and that sort of thing. So I've had no issues whatsoever with this grill so far. So again, if we do, we'll tell you about it. So we keep it real here. So if we have any issues, we'll let you know. But besides that, the grill has functioned and everything functioned well, and it's held up really well. So that's it. That's our review, our update of the KitchenAid built-in barbecue. Subscribe to our channel. We'll put a link in the description below of all the things I mentioned, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.